Hi guys, this is Fred from PHP and today I want to show you how to implement the iframe for PHP using Divi and Bloom. So you can see in action on our website if you go under About Us, Demo. Here you're going to see the pop-up tab here. There we go. We wait 5 seconds, I think, for this one, and that's what you're going to see. And that's what we're going to implement today. So doing this, you're going to need Bloom and as well as DV. Just behind here, but everybody knows DV. So to do that, so we're going to create a new team. Or before I start, you need to log to your PageSpeed account and go under your profile and select the tab agency because we're going to use the advanced iframe here. We're going to use this code. Okay, so login to PageSpeed app, go under your agency and scroll down and select the advanced tab. That's the code we're going to use. So back to Bloom. So we create a new pop-up of fly in. So for the demo, we use the fly in. So demo DV Bloom PSL. And for the provider, we're going to select the custom HTML form. So here, that's where we're going to put the code we have on the advanced iframe. So I'm going to copy this here, and paste that here, and I'm going to remove the white space. And also for this, since we're using Divi, we don't need to have a jQuery because it's already called by Divi. So I'm going to remove this part here. But depending on the theme you're using, you may need to keep the jQuery. And Jean did a demo on the advanced iframe and how you can use it. So if you go back to our website and go under knowledge base, there is a section here, a video on how to use the advanced iframe. So Jean explained to you how to use for your field, like if you want to add name or any custom field. I recommend to watch this video here called how to use the advanced iframe. So back to the form. So we add the code. Right now, I didn't add any specific CSS. We're just going to keep it as is. So now I'm going to work on the design. Doesn't matter what you select, just next customize. So here is the title we have here. So go back to the demo. Just wait again a second. So that's the title. So just be lazy and copy this here. Oh, interesting. I lost the toolbar here. Maybe it's because I just upgrade to WordPress 5.0. Yeah, so maybe I have an issue. But when you use the Bloom, you're supposed to have tools here, and I don't saw them. Next. Oh, here they are. I'm back. Oh, okay, maybe some display issue. Yeah. Okay. So that's that. And then I'm going to copy this text here. There we go. Put it on this section here. Voila. And then we don't want any images. Let's see. So we have a preview here. So here we go. That looks like a good start. I don't like the color and we need more space maybe between the field here. So let's move this. So change the color of the bottom. Let's visit is yellow. So let's put yellow. What we have now, like this. I think we can put something like that. Yeah, it doesn't change anything because we're using the custom HTML, so all the settings here doesn't work. I just want to go a little bit darker, maybe yellow, maybe something like that. Voila, almost done. So you can have a you can send your success message. So you have successfully subscribed, or in this case, we're going to put your report is on its way. You page did first. There you go. And now you can choose the fly-in, so you can set from left, right, center. So let's keep it right. And then you can add some animations like down, so it's going to the top to the bottom. You can have a delay, so 60 seconds. So let's just remove it as a demo process. We don't want at the bottom of the post, and we just want it on the home page, for example. And that's it. We created our, sorry, we created our pop-up. So just go back to the design. See, we have to, oh, that's, sorry, that's mine. So here you see I changed the styling. So I had some margin at the bottom. Same for the second field, and also I styled the button here with a white 100%, and I have some space at the top. So since I'm lazy on this one, I can just copy this and go back to my format just create the second one. And here I can replace here. It's all the form. Let's increase the space here. So you see I have some style to uh, to put some space between the field and increase the bottom wide. So if I do a preview now, see, that's much better. And you can play around with this. So you can just go back to the setup and add any style you want. You can add the style for the form, everywhere. So at the bottom, the section, it's up to you to decide what do you want. And then finally, you need to create a page to call you, so let's call it test demo PSL. I'm just going to use Divi and just use this and some model. Let's go with text here. Uh, demo. Put H1, save, publish. It's because I'm going to grab the page I create, and if I go back to Bloom, I'm going to ask the form to only display on this page. So if I go back to the settings and display settings here, there you can specify. So here we go. I just want to display on this page. So that's it. Now if I go back to my page, demo test, view, and voila, just wait a few seconds. Did I miss something? Because I'm not, of course. Let me do a quick fix for that. Transform, thing. What I did wrong. Display settings, slide down, display after one page. Oh, that's page. I didn't select page, I just select home page. That's why now I'm going to display only on the test demo. Stephen is it. Oh, and I have a cache. Of course, I have to use the cache and go back to my page. Demo, view. There we go. Oh, I need to fix. Didn't write my. Did I save when I put the style? Okay. Anyway, you just see the idea. So that's pretty easy. So you just grab the code here. and put it anywhere you want. So you can use any plugin that's doing a pop-up like Bloom, and then you can style the way you want. And voila, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was due for a long time. Sorry guys, I'm very busy, especially at the end of this year. I don't know why, but here it is. Feel free to ask any question, if you have any comments. We always like when you ask our comments. Thank you guys. Have a good day.